Are you tired of slow internet speeds that make browsing and streaming a nightmare? You're not alone. Slow internet speeds can be a real drag, especially when you're trying to get work done or enjoy your favorite TV show. But don't worry, there are proven tips and tricks to boost your internet speed and improve your browsing and streaming experience. First, make sure your computer is optimized for internet speed. Clear your cache, delete old files and programs, and make sure your computer is up to date with the latest software updates. Your computer's performance is closely linked to the speed of your internet connection. If your computer is slow, it may be struggling to process the information it's receiving from the internet, which can lead to slower browsing and streaming speeds. Therefore, it's essential to optimize your computer to ensure that it's running at its best. Clearing your cache and deleting old files and programs can help free up space on your computer's hard drive, which can improve its overall performance. Additionally, making sure your computer is up to date with the latest software updates can help fix any bugs or issues that may be slowing it down. Next, try resetting your router and modem. This can often help improve internet speeds and eliminate connectivity issues. Sometimes, simply resetting your router and modem can help resolve any connectivity issues you may be experiencing. To do this, unplug both devices from the power source and wait for 30 seconds before plugging them back in. This can help reset the network and improve its overall performance. Also, consider the placement of your router. Make sure it's in a central location and not blocked by walls or other obstructions. The placement of your router can also have a significant impact on your internet speeds. Make sure your router is positioned in a central location within your home or office to ensure that the signal can reach all areas of the space. Additionally, try to keep it away from walls or other obstructions that could interfere with the signal. Another tip is to use a VPN. This can help improve internet speeds by reducing the amount of data that needs to be sent and received. Using a VPN, virtual private network, can also help improve your internet speeds by reducing the amount of data that needs to be sent and received. A VPN creates a secure and encrypted connection between your computer and the internet, which can help reduce the amount of data that needs to be transmitted. This can lead to faster browsing and streaming speeds, especially if you're accessing content from a different country. Finally, consider upgrading your internet plan. Your current plan may not be sufficient for your needs, and upgrading could significantly improve your internet speeds. If you've tried all of the previous tips and tricks and are still experiencing slow internet speeds, it may be time to consider upgrading your internet plan. Your current plan may not be sufficient for your needs, especially if you're working from home or have multiple devices connected to the same network. Upgrading to a higher speed plan can significantly improve your internet speeds and provide a better browsing and streaming experience. By following these proven tips and tricks, you can boost your internet speed and enjoy faster browsing and streaming. But keep in mind that some factors that can impact your internet speed are beyond your control, such as your internet service provider, ISP, and the quality of the wiring in your home or office building. In such cases, it's best to contact your ISP and request a technician to check the wiring and signal strength. Additionally, it's important to ensure that you're using a secure and reliable network to protect your online privacy and sensitive information. Always use a strong and unique password for your Wi-Fi network and avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive activities such as online banking or shopping. In summary, slow internet speeds can be frustrating, but there are proven tips and tricks to improve your browsing and streaming experience. Optimizing your computer, resetting your router and modem, positioning your router properly using a VPN, and upgrading your internet plan are some of the effective ways to boost your internet speed. Remember to also prioritize your online security and privacy by using a strong and secure network. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.